to try to solve the 2x2x2 skip on this game. Let's get to it. It's a bit hard to do it on the game, but it's easier when we do it on the real stuff, right? Like with the real Rubik cube like that. So I can solve the 2x2x2 Rubik's cube when I hold this item. So, but in game I don't know. But let's try it. So I solved the yellow part and the white part. Now it's time for the last step. So I solved the 2x2x2 Rubik's cube in 1 minute and 10. But this is in a game. In a game, it's very hard to like watch around. But in real life, I solved the 2x2x2 Rubik's cube in just like 20 or 17 seconds. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Peace out.